It was a fantastic day for all the cryptos and the stock market, but we're going to look at the cryptos, the top 3 cryptos for today, and show you guys where they went, what happened, and our price predictions for these, and see where they're going by the end of the day. But before we hop into that, hit that sub button. It's the best way to support the channel. We're trying to hit 5,000 subs by the end of this month. We only got like a week left, so let's do it. Looking at Bitcoin first, we look at Bitcoin, and it obviously has had a long month, pulled all the way back down to $29,000, and now it's kind of starting to recover a little bit, from all of the bashing that it's been taking, over the last coming weeks. But it did pull back down to like the $31,000 range, and now we are kind of pushing our way back up towards 40, which is fantastic to see. If you guys are into crypto, it did have that massive dip. Again, back down to, the $30,000 range. So if you guys got in there, you're making a killing at this point. Yeah, absolutely killing it right now.
That's a perfect time to buy in.
Right, exactly, exactly. If we go ahead and look at Doge is being one of the bigger ones on the day. We're going to talk a little bit more about this one in another video, so look out for that. But Doge coming back up after Elon sending out a couple tweets earlier today. You guys will see this later tonight. So earlier today, he sent out a couple tweets about Dogecoin and the Reddit. And, the developers looking for more help. So that sent this thing up a little bit today. And, right here's where you clearly saw that tweet, just straight to the moon, blasting off. We're starting to push the 36, 37 range, which is good because we need to get back up towards that 50-cent range, I think, in order for us to actually see some more volatility and to see this thing go on to the next level. And then we're going to look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, it kind of had its day. It had its day. Starting out at about $2,000, and now we're up to like $2,600.
Yeah, it was up like 20-some%. That's crazy.
Right. All of them, Dogecoin and Ethereum both up 21% on the day, or relatively close to it. So if we look at Ethereum, I think based on where we have been, I'm going to kind of give you guys a price prediction, see what we think here. So Ethereum, it did hit the $1,700 a couple days ago. We saw it pull back. Actually, that would have been yesterday on the 23rd, pulled back all the way to $1,700. So you're seeing a substantial growth from that point forward. But I think we're going to start to really see resistance here at that 2,600, which is what we're kind of seeing. But I think once we hit that and break past that, I think we're going to be off back to the 3,000 level. But that's where we're going to see our next level of resistance. But I'm really hoping we find support here on this level as well. And if we see this on TradingView, you can see it on TradingView that they're thinking the same thing, the $2,500, we're going to see some resistance, 2,600. But again, I think once we blast off past that, we're going to start to see that resistance right up in here, right around the $2,800 to $3,000 mark is where we're going to see that next level of resistance for Ethereum.
Yeah, I agree. And we'll probably bounce off this 2,600, a handful of times, but then it should, you got to get all those people out that want to sell at this level. And then, there's going to be a time where you hit it and it just blasts off past it.
Exactly. And this is where Ethereum, or with Bitcoin, I think we're going to start to really see some resistance here at the 40,000 range until they can kind of get their carbons and stuff and how much energy they take. I think once they start to get that under control and they start to get more public, people backing them. Well, I don't want to say people aren't backing them now, but once we start to get more positive things coming out of Bitcoin, I think that's when we're really going to start to see this thing kind of push back up to the 60,000s where we were at before the big crash.
Yeah, if they can make big improvements on that energy front, then it's gonna go back up for sure to the 60s.
But that's going to wrap up this video. If you guys like these kind of quick little updates, hit that like, share, notification about all that good stuff. We're here to bring you guys all the updated news and everything that's going on with the crypto market and the stock market. So hit that sub button and that, like, share, notification bell. It's the best way to stay up to date on all things crypto and all things stock market related. But we also got 3 links down in the description, one for Webull, one for our merchandise, and the other one for the Patreon that gets you access to the Discord. So if you guys are interested in any of that, all that's down below. But thank you guys again for all your support, and we'll see you in the next video.